First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Data Wipe page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the downloaded setup to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Run the software on your computer, then you will see this main interface. To delete files so that they cannot be recovered, you need to select the File Shredder option. Click the Add File option to select the files you want to delete permanently from your computer, then click OK to import them. If you added a file by mistake, you can select it and click Delete to remove it from the list. Additionally, you can click Add to continue to import the file as you want to erase. Click Erase Now and click OK on the pop-up window to start the process. Once finished, the selected files on your computer are deleted completely.